Hi everyone, I am Eliza Mendoza Cuare, together with Mariel Ramos and John Christian Residue. And for our group activity number 3, we'll be showing you how we did our data manipulation and visualization in RStudio using the built-in dataset called Chickwit. Before that, we're going to explain what is data manipulation and visualization. Data manipulation, it involves arranging or rearranging data points to make it easier for users or data analysis to perform necessary insight or business directives, while data visualization uses charts, graphs, and maps to present information clearly and simply. It turns complex data into visuals that are easy to understand. Our main operation in data manipulation. Data processing, structuring data, reduce the number of features, clean data, and transforming data. And the main operation in data visualization are charts and groups, maps, and dashboards. We choose Chickweight because this dataset is interesting. It shows the growth of baby chickens over time under different diets. It grades example for learning how to explore, analyze, and visualize data. The goal of this activity is to organize and present raw data in a professional way and to understand its behavior using our studio tools.
Data exploration. So first, we loaded the dataset using the command data check weight. Then we use head check weight to see the first 6 rows of the data. And as you can see, it shows the weight, time, check, number, and diet. After that, we check what type of object this dataset is by typing class check weight. And it shows that it's a data frame, which means it's organized in rows and columns, just like an Excel table. Next, we use str check weight to see its structure, and we show that it has 578 observation with 4 variables: weight, time, check, and diet.
So, after exploring the dataset, we access each column individually using the dollar sign, just like in rows 14 to 17. For example, we use check weight dollar sign weight, check weight dollar sign time, check weight dollar sign check, and check weight dollar sign diet. We also computed some mean values to get basic insight. For example, mean open parenthesis check weight dollar sign weight close parenthesis, and mean open parenthesis check weight dollar sign time close parenthesis. This gave us the average weight of the chicks and the average time recorded. Then we decided to visualize the data using plots. First, we tried a general plot by typing plot open parenthesis, check weight close parenthesis. It showed a scatter plot of all the data, but it looks a bit messy, so we made a clearer one by plotting weight versus time using plot open parenthesis, check weight dollar sign, weight, check weight dollar sign time, xlab equals quote weight quote, ylab equals quote time quote, main equals quote chicken weight quote, call equals quote red quote close parenthesis. Here we can observe that as time increases, the chicken's weight also increases, which makes sense because the chicks are growing.
After that, we created factors to visualize how each variable behaves. For example, we used diet, factor, chicken weight, dollar sign diet. Plot diet call is equals to blue. This shows how many chicks belong to each diet group. We also plotted time, weight, and chick as factor with different colors to compare their distribution. And here are the data visualization plotting of diet, data visualization plotting of time, data visualization plotting of weight, and data visualization plotting of G. This visualization help us understand the dataset more easily, like which diet led to faster growth or how frequently data was recorded. Finally, we summarize everything using summary chicken wing. This command shows quick statistics such as the minimum, maximum, and average value for each variable.
After cleaning and exploring the data, we exported it as a CSV file using write.csv check weight file is equals check weight export.csv row name is equals false. They save our dataset so we can open it again in Excel or share it with others. Some challenges we faced were at first we forget to load the dataset, so our code didn't run. The plots were messy at first, especially when plotting too many data points. And sometimes the view close parenthesis functions didn't work depending on our RStudio setup. But we managed to solve them by carefully rechecking each command and understanding what each functions does. Our tips are be familiarized by practice daily and always double check the data.
So, to summarize, we first loaded and explored the chick weight dataset. Second, analyzed its structures and computed some basic statistic. Third, created different plots to visualize how the chick's weight changes over time and by diet. Lastly, we exported the clean dataset to a CSV file. So, for the conclusion, using RStudio, we learn how to properly explore and visualize data in a clear and organized way. The check weight dataset help us to easily understand data, relationships, and trends. Our three key takeaways are 1. Always explore your dataset first before analysis. 2. Visualization makes data interpretation easier. And 3. Understanding each R functions help you avoid errors and make your analysis smoother.
And that's our presentation for Group Activity 3, Data Manipulation and Visualization. Thank you for watching.